Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited for today's video because today I'm working with VERANO HILL, which is a beautiful handbag brand. They sent over 3 of their best-selling handbags and I am so excited to unbox them. If you're in the market for a new handbag or you just want to spoil yourself, then make sure you check out VERANO HILL. Right now they're doing a buy one get one free for all of their handbags. I'm going to link everything down in the description box. Okay, let's get started. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Okay, let's get into it. Oh my gosh. Wait. Wow. Oh my god, she is stunning. I'm literally blown away. This is so beautiful. This is called the Lauren handbag and I got it in the dark brown. It has the VERANO HILL logo right there, but it is literally so beautiful. So soft too. I don't know if you can tell, but it's literally such a soft material. It is made of genuine leather, which you can definitely feel. It has this little clasp. And then here's what the inside looks like. I love when they have this like little separator in the middle so that your things don't get all jumbled up. I feel like it gives it a little bit more organization. It does also come with a strap, so it can either be a little handbag like that, or you can attach the straps and then create kind of like a crossbody. So I probably will be wearing it just with this little shoulder strap because I just love it so much. I think this is gonna be an everyday bag for me. I love the color. I'm obsessed with the way that it feels, the texture of it. The bottom has these like little pegs, which is nice. So that way the bag's like not sitting directly on whatever surface. It has like a little buffer. Back has like these 2 little side pockets, which is nice if you need to access something quick and easy. This is probably where I would put those things. There's a zipper in here, which is great. You could put a little bit more sensitive stuff in there, obviously. Honestly, it's so nice. This next one is called the Marcel handbag. I got it in this really beautiful classic black, but they have so many other colors. The burgundy and the beige one also caught my eye, but you can't beat like a classic black. Okay, here she is. I'm literally obsessed with this like crocodile texture. I feel like these bags are such classic. Like you really can't go wrong with a nice structured black handbag like this. Let's open the zipper. Wow, okay. This one is definitely a lot more structured. There's not a lot of stretch. It does also come with the strap, so if you wanted to convert it into a crossbody, you definitely can. Here's basically what the inside looks like, and again, it does have a little separator with a zipper. These handbags are literally so pretty though. Like I honestly, my expectations, I didn't even really have any, but they are just such great quality and material. Like you can feel the quality, you know? This bag is also genuine leather, but there is polyester, which I'm assuming is probably like the inside. It does also have a side zipper pocket and then another little pocket on this side. I feel like this is a date night out with the girls, or you have a really important meeting. This is gonna be the bag to wear. Let me just unbox this strap real quick. So here's what the strap looks like. Honestly, it's really good quality. It looks like a belt. It has like a little buckle detail right there. And obviously you would hook the 2 ends and then make this bag a little crossbody. She's so cute. Okay, and this last one, I'm probably the most excited for because it's different for me, but I wanted to just like put myself out there, out of my comfort zone and like try something different. But I also really loved it. Here it is. Oh my god, obsessed. I love this color. Olive green color is so pretty to me. The way that it's woven, just the texture. I mean, I love this bag. This is also gonna be an everyday bag. It's made of vegan leather and they also have it in black, white, and a caramel color. But like I said, I don't have a bag in this color, so I figured why not? And I'm not disappointed because I feel like this bag, yeah, so good. Let's see the inside. These buttons are so cute. They're magnetic. Oh my gosh, it comes with a little pouch. I have become a huge fan of bags that have little pouches in them like this, especially because there's really no structure to these bags. They're so loose and like, you know what I mean? So when you have a little pouch, it helps kind of like keep your things organized. You can put all of your stuff in here. You know, all those little things that we girls carry. Lip balm, multiple lip balms, whatever you need, you can put in here. I honestly can't believe like the quality and just how good these bags are made. Like I am so blown away by all three of these. They're all so different and will be used for different occasions, but I am building my bag collection and I'm so excited to add these three. They're all literally so good. I can't even like deal. Seriously obsessed with each and every one of these. VERANO HILL just nailed it with the quality, the aesthetic, everything. They are literally so good and I'm obsessed. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed. Make sure you check out the description box below. I'm gonna link all of these items for you. And don't forget, they're doing their buy one get one free all handbags. So if you've been thinking about getting a handbag, make sure you check them out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more. And I will see you here next time. Bye.